I understand that everyone has their own favorite way of diamond painting, but I am on the hunt for the perfect diamond painting utensil. This is number 5 that I've tried for this series. It came with this. You put it on. It's a little hard to get it on. It's just a pencil grip, but it feels very comfortable, and I do recommend you using it. Inside of there is the little twisty bit, and as you turn it, it goes up and it pushes the wax towards the top. With the premise being you never have to dip it into the wax while you're painting. But the problem is it does not work as expected. Here's what you get with the kit. You get this little holder, soft grippy part. You get 3 refills in a little cute container. Love it. And then you get a whole bunch of wax. Try as I might, I could not make this thing work properly. To the best of my understanding, there are no instructions. You just roll it up. And that's when you get to a certain point, the rolling it up part gets a little bit hard. And so you think, okay, this is as far as I need to go. And so you stop. When it gets too hard, you don't want to keep going. When you do that, there's nothing there. There's no wax, is what I'm saying. There's no wax. So you give it a little extra twist after it's already too hard to twist. And once you do that, you're getting ready. You're preparing yourself. You're ready. Then you go to dip, and suddenly out of nowhere, you've got 5 inches of wax coming out of the top of this thing. So then for the next hour, you're pushing the wax back in there. You have to take a big old glob off. You're wasting these little things. They're only that big. And you're like, what is happening to my life right now? Look, there it's starting to come up the top. It's exploding like you've shaken up a fizzy soda. And it doesn't stop. It just keeps going and going and going. And you never know where the point is that you've gone too far. Because if you don't go far enough, you don't get any. I guess the good part is once you get it perfect, there is no good part of this. See it? Still going. See what I mean? I don't like it. So this is going to the very bottom of everything that I've tried. It's my least favorite. Still going. It's a volcano of wax. In theory, this would be great. If it worked the way it was supposed to, I think this probably would have ended up being my favorite. But the current way this one works is not my favorite. It's my least favorite. However, if you're not comparing it to anything else and you're just using it for what it is, it's fine. Once it gets out to a certain glob, it makes doing the outside of things super fast because then you can grab 2 of them at a time and just go to town. I loved this. I used it on these bookmarks. I know my lines are not even that straight, even with using it, because I don't care if it's perfect. I think the asymmetry and the mistakes and all of that, I think that's part of what makes this such a great craft for anybody. It doesn't have to be perfect. I could easily straighten out the lines as best as I wanted to. The QR codes that pop up on the screen are affiliate links. Whenever you make a purchase using one of my affiliate links, it helps support my channel and I earn a few cents, so thank you for that. You can also find the products in the description and again in the comments. Have a look at the prices and check out the product and see what you think. And you can always let me know. I'd love to hear more information on whether or not you got it. I liked that I didn't have to keep dipping it in wax, that all I had to do was push up on that and then I had a bunch. It's still the exact same thing. You're still having to push it around. But because of this consistency, it's very easy to reshape. And once you use it a bunch of times, you reshape it. So is it better than a normal pen? Yes. Is it as good as an electric pen? No. So that's why it's going to the bottom of my electric pens list. It is better than a normal pen. The comfort, fantastic. The heft, wonderful. Having this extra little part, wonderful. So we've got 5 stars for this. We've got 5 stars for all around comfort. But unfortunately, in the running for the best pen, it's at the bottom. I definitely will keep using this because it is better than the kit pens, but not what I was hoping for. Hope that helps you in your decision. Look, it's still going. And even if you turn it back, it doesn't suck it in. It just keeps going.